So I have this headphone model here that I've just finished, and I want to render it with a transparent background so I could take it and do post-processing in Photoshop. But I'm running into a problem when I do my render, and you can see that we have these black lines on the edge of the model in some areas right here. Okay, and I want to show you guys how to fix that in case you're running into the same issue. So I'm going to show you my compositing setup. It's very simple. So we have a glare node and we have a lens distortion, and I've plugged in the alpha to the alpha of the composite node right here. So this is because of the lens distortion. If you mute this, you can see that the problem is not there, and that's because the distortion is only happening to the image and not the alpha. So it's a very simple fix. In order to get rid of that black line, you just copy your lens distortion, and you're going to run the alpha through that as well, and make sure you have the same values as your original one. Plug in the alpha into the image, and instead of using this alpha socket here, I'm going to disconnect that, and you're just going to add a set alpha node. You're going to run your image through that, and then plug in the second lens distortion into your alpha, and then plug in the image to the composite node, and that's it. See, the issue is fixed. Now it looks very clean on the edges. One more thing you can also experiment with is, you see that the glare is, the fog glow is being, it's a little bit cut off on the edge right here. So that may be fine. This is already good as is, but if you want to fix that and get more of that glow happening on the edges, what you could do is come here and set the mode from set alpha, set it to replace alpha instead of apply mask. You see that we get a little bit of that around the edges. So this is what the apply mask looks like. This is what replace alpha.